Hi, welcome to episode 12 of our new home build. We have officially broke ground. I am bringing the boys out with me today. We're pouring some concrete. We've got some footings. As you can see, we've got a cement truck. Per usual, it was not an easy task to get to this point. Speaking of task, on Joel's channel, today's task, he updates much more in-depth in detail. So if you want some more like house videos, go check out his channel. I'll put a link in the description. Once we dug the hole, then it was time to put the forms in for the footings. That generally will take 1 day, maybe 2. It took us like a week. And then it usually takes a day to pour the concrete for those footings. Guys, we are into this situation since we broke ground a month. So we're ready. We are ready. You know, it was a mixture of like weather and staffing. So, you know, it is what it is. And the reason I like to tell you these things is because if you are getting into, you know, the building process or something, beware. It takes like 15 times the time. Oh, and cost. Regardless, we're here, they're pouring the footings, and this is exciting. No changes after this. Once this is done, there is no changing. Glad we made the changes when we did to the entry. We did make some changes, which I did make a full video on. If you guys are not caught up on the entire house building process, you can catch up with the playlist in my description. Hey boys, do you think it was worth coming out of school for? I bet.
I don't know what worth even means.
What?
I don't even know what worth means. I just said yes.
You don't know what worth it means? Do you wish you were at school or do you wish you were here?
Here.
Nice, that means it was worth it. I don't even know what worth it means.
Well, I like it better because I don't have to like just sit the whole time.
Yep, you do not have to sit the whole time. There's lots to do out here. However, let me just tell you guys, you have to stay out of the way, okay?
Of the truck because they can never see you.
Yep.
You can see them, they can see you.
Correct. We've had this conversation before. You know the drill.
Is that our garage?
Yes, Boston, that is our garage. This right here is the garage.
Like big, small, round.
I know, that's what I keep saying. I'm like, wait a minute, this doesn't seem very big. But I've measured 1,000,000 times.
But it's gonna be 3 of those. Like
that's
that.
Well, the garage is just gonna be 2. There's a room under the garage, and then the upper floor is the garage.
Under the garage is all. When we moved in, my dad said it's gonna be like a rough house room.
That's right.
Like bang on the walls.
That's right. I love that the boys just trail along Joel. Joel's out there filming, and the boys just trail him. It's kind of like a mama duck with her little ducks, but in a daddy version. So cute. Oh, this is so surreal. Got another truck coming. Whoop whoop. Oh, that was another thing. They were going to be here earlier also with the concrete, but they didn't have enough concrete for the project, so we had to wait on that too. So, you know, it's a
Bummer.
well, I was gonna say like a moving puzzle piece. Yeah, I don't know. There's a lot to it. That's what I was trying to say.
Speaking of puzzle pieces, I like finding flat rocks and big ones, so I can like get 3 rocks. Put this one on the flat one, like on a flat one. I break in half. If you get it like the right thing, you can like it's like a puzzle and put it right together.
Cool. Well, that is fun. It's good things. Good things are happening. Exciting things. You all know I'm behind the camera with big old tears in my eyes because I just can't help it. It's who I am. Don't try to change me. Are you boys leaving the concrete alone? Doesn't look like it.
gloves, you're good.
The guy said, you've got gloves on, you're good. My favorite thing is when construction workers are really nice and patient with my kids. I keep them out of the way, but like right now, you know, they're not hurting anything, they're not in the way, and he's making them feel good about playing, and that is so appreciated. I just love these guys.
I was old, I was young, I was sitting in the sun, I was tired of the run, I was done.
Look who's here! Grandpa Hoellein just got here. He doesn't want to miss out on the excitement. He's got to make sure things are getting done right. Joel thinks I'm the boss. Nah, not when Mr. Stan Hoellein's here.
Hey Linky, show Grandpa your pocket knife, bud.
Wow.
Grandpa, that's a one of a kind.
That's a homemade sword.
That's cool.
Tell him how you made it. Let me see. Can we see it?
We went to the
Train tracks.
and we put them on the train track and it like smushed them in there.
Yeah.
Swords.
We used to do that with pennies and quarters and nickels and dimes.
We did that with a penny, and now it's Olivia's pick for a guitar.
And this was a double-headed nail, and it looks like a sword, but it turns into Lincoln's pocket
I
knife.
like that so they stick out, so when they take these forms off.
Uh-huh.
See how the head sticks
Oh,
out?
uh-huh.
And then you can now get the head, pull the nail.
Oh, okay. These guys are being very, very accommodating. And just FYI, we always ask if people are okay with us filming, and sometimes they are, sometimes they aren't. But I'm feeling a little bashful right now, Joel. Okay, the cement truck just stopped spinning, but Joel got all excited and he's like, that's the shot I wanted. He has somehow, that's his GoPro. Oh, wow, I can't wait to see what he does with that. Lincoln, thank you for bringing me this flower. I got looking at this one. Just, you know, just impaled it. Yeah, just impaled it with a
Pretty good little pocket knife you got.
Well, I think we're gonna wrap up. We have all the footings
We need to put this
poured, all the rebars in them. So now the next step is doing the foundation walls, right?
Yep.
Okay. Well, that was fast. It's only 11:30. They're wrapping up going. They will take the, what are they called?
Forms.
The forms off once the concrete is a little more settled, but that's it. That was a long wait for just a short amount of
There's 52 yards of concrete here. That's
a
a
lot.
lot of concrete.
It's a lot of concrete. One step closer. We are one step closer. I'm gonna go down and start measuring things so that I've measured about 1,000,000 times, but my eyeballs have to see it in like real time, real life. And so now that I have some walls, it's like, okay, this gives me a little bit better perspective. So I'm gonna go re-measure the things that I've measured about 500 times already, because that's fun. I mean, that for me, that's playing. That's my play. This is all Joel's play. For me, it's like measuring and planning and all those kind of things. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you all in our next video. Bye guys. I don't know what I'm doing. Sorry, Joel. I'm just excited to film. Welcome to episode... Okay.